My name is Deanna Knowles, the CEO of the Famous Group. And if you're a credit repair agency doing above $10,000 a month, I'm going to show you two things today. Number one, how we can guarantee you 300 qualified credit consultations in 90 days done for you, or you don't pay. Number two, how we booked 8,000 plus calls last month for our 100 plus credit repair agencies who are all clients of ours. Let's take a look at Gracie. She spent $15,000 in ad spend. Our team generated 600 plus booked calls. She got 152 sales, $46,000 in revenue for her business, which is a 3 times return on her ad spend. Kevin spent $24,000 in ads. We generated 685 booked calls, 272 sales, $105,000 in revenue for his business, which is a 4.3 times return on his investment. Let's take a look at Nicola. She spent $38,000 in ad spend, 1,400 booked calls, 421 sales, almost $200,000 in revenue for her business. That's a 5 times return on her ad spend. Now let's take a look at Courtney. Almost $75,000 in ad spend, 4,800 booked calls, 1,400 sales, $603,000 in revenue for her business. That's an 8 times return on her ad spend. It's safe to say she is pretty fired up with our system that we have installed into her business. Now you're probably asking yourself, how does a Famous Group do this? Well, since 2017, we have worked with 80% of the 6 and 7 figure CROs. We were featured on Credit Repair Cloud's podcast with Daniel Rosen, where we broke down our system and methodology with how we were able to scale credit repair organizations. Here's what we're going to do. Step 1, we'll build and install our Nexus funnel. We've spent $5 million a year driving traffic to this funnel, so we have all the conversion rates and all the data so that we can leverage this into your business. Step number 2, my team will create, launch, and manage your ads to force qualified calls through your funnel and into your calendar. Here's how we do that. During your onboarding call with our team, we're going to define your ideal clients. We're going to launch advertising campaigns on the ad platforms such as Facebook and Instagram and generate your company qualified bookings. From there, we're going to take that data, feed that back into the AI. That way we can optimize it and generate even more qualified bookings for your company. On top of that, step 3, my team will install our 21 touch points and 21 day system into your business to convert leads into qualified consultations. We will also assign our appointment setter on your account that's going to follow up with the leads who have either not booked a call with your team or have no-showed to the consultations, and we will go ahead and rebook them so that you can complete that consultation with them. So imagine waking up to your calendar this full every single morning. Imagine what this could do for you guys. Imagine having 300 booked consultation calls over the next 90 days for your business. Keep in mind, we only are looking to work with credit repair business owners who do $10,000 or more in their business. So if you're looking to scale your company and generate 300 plus qualified consultations for your credit repair business, go ahead and schedule a call with someone from my team or myself to see if you qualify to work with the Famous Group.